Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies and your past partner energies towards each other. What are they thinking about you? What are they thinking about the relationship, the obstacles and the probable outcome of the situation? Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what's going on with my Libras and their person from 10th till 16th of January 2022, sorry, kind of being in the same year. Okay, 10th till 16th January 2022, what's going on with my Libras, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Okay. All right, so let's see now. Okay, so Libras, your person's feelings towards you right now, how do they see you as? They see you as their soulmate. Definitely this is a person who is really thinking about you and they really want to go in a deep connection with you. If they are your friend right now, they want to take it to a next level. If you both are dating each other, they really want to marry you. So this is like the next step they are looking towards. And what else do we have? Empress. So yeah, they really see you as a person who is a nurturer, caretaker. You could be dealing with Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces or Taurus. They really love you. I feel that, it's like they really want you. Okay, so let's see. How do you see them? You see them as Nine of Cups. You see them as a wish fulfillment energy, a person who is very much, you might have been thankful to this person. Thankful to the universe that you met this person and you show gratitude towards the universe that you thank you so much for making me meet with this person. I really am grateful. That is that grateful energy in you. With the Four of Cups, I think something is like you are really happy to be with them, but something, because this is more like you are thankful, but at the same time you are there's something which they are not accepting. I think that it can be you who is not able to accept them, or it's them who is not able to accept you. Somewhere there is some kind of a rejection in a person. Like it could be because your person could be dealing with some other things at this present moment, so that's why they want to take this relationship. They see you as their soulmate, but they are not ready to take this situation or take this relationship at a very next level. Okay, they want to take you to marriage and stuff. They are seeing it, but they are really not able to reflect, or their energies might not be able to tell you that this is what they are really giving you, and they're really wanting to be with you. You feel that they do not want you, but from inside they really want you. Really, Libra. Okay, so let's see. Next is, how do they see their relationship? With the Knight of Pentacles, definitely they are taking it slow. They are really taking it a lot slower what you are expecting, because you also know that they really love me, but why are they not coming towards me? Sun energy. See, so this is like a happiness energy. They see this relationship, that whenever this relationship will start, I will be happy with my Libra, I will be doing this, going to places. But when it comes to commitment and to going towards certain, like going fast, they are not that at present. They are not going really fast, although they are loyal to you, they are loyal to the relationship. I don't see any third party situation in this thing, but they are definitely not in the situation of taking steps at present. Let's see, Seven of Wands energy. How do you see the relationship? You see the relationship with the Seven of Wands, with the Knight of Wands. I feel that this is you somewhere. Yeah, you really want to go fast. They are being the Knight of Pentacles, you being the Knight of Wands. You really want to run, you really want to go fast, you have a lot of passion and a lot of enthusiasm in you to take this relationship to the next level, but they are literally saying, you know, wait for me, I'm not able to. You know, the energy level is quite not balancing, what I feel. You're not balancing each other energy level and each other pace, because they are taking a lot of time, they are at pace. You could be dealing with a earth sign over here, and that's why they are not in that zone of, you know, taking things really fast, because they want to take it slow. Obstacle from their end, Ace of Swords. I think they need some clarity. The clarification, the clarity of mind is not there at present, and that's why. With the Three of Wands also as a clarification energy. They could be distant to you as well. They could be dealing with some problems. I feel that somebody out there could be dealing with some visa problems, and you know, their visa is not getting applied for, and that's why they are really in the zone. They are really have other tensions in life, and that's why they are not taking this thing in a very good way. But honestly speaking, they really love you, Libra. They want to take it slow. Let them take it slow, but give this person a chance. Obstacle from your end is the Ace of Cups. Yeah, it's like you want to be loved, you want to love them, and you want to start it afresh, you want to take it to the next level. It's like a new love offer, you know, you are waiting for that offer or that proposal from their side, and it's not coming, I feel. Magician. Yeah, somewhere it feels to me that you are kind of manifesting, you have been manifesting this kind of a person, or particularly this person. You could be trying to, you know, take things in your hand. I think you are the one who has taken things a little fast, because you know, they were like you both were like friends only before, so might be you have taken a step forward and taken this relationship to the next level. Now again, it's you only who are actually putting a lot of efforts in this relationship, although in action terms they might not be putting those actions, those steps towards going on with you, but they definitely want to put actions and want to put more love in this relationship. But right now their mind is in something else, I feel, Libras. Okay, so next is the Queen of Pentacles. So their action in this situation, let's see. Yeah, Two of Wands with the Queen of Pentacles. So from the Knight of Pentacles they have moved on to the Queen of Pentacles now, so that means progress. Okay, so it's a little bit of wait, little bit of delay, but I feel if they are going away, or if they are not yet gone away, like, you know, if you could be dealing with a person who is in another place, and if they are traveling, and when they will reach a certain destination, because they want a little stability in their life. It could be financial stability, mental stability, but they are waiting for that stability to come, and then they will offer you the cup which you are asking for right now. So all they need is time right now. Let's see what's coming up with the Fool energy, Libra. So the Fool energy is your actions towards the situation. Yeah, you are really running away. Knight of Swords with the Fool energy. Yeah, you are at that place where you want to risk, you want to take action, you want to enter into new beginning with them. It's like, no, I want it and I want it now. That is your action. You might even tell them, okay, so just be a little bit good with your words. You might be a little furious because you feel that they are not showing the love to you, and so you might show your anger to this situation. The final outcome is the Moon. Let's check what is the Moon energy here telling us with the Six of Cups. Yeah, it's a kind of a hidden love, I feel somewhere, you know. It feels to me that you both know each other, that this person loves me and I love this person, but at the same time, when it comes to showing that love or speaking about this love thing, you both are very hidden. You both are just not able to express the feelings to each other. One more card. Six of Wands. Yeah, I feel that. I feel it. But whatever you are manifesting for, it is coming towards success. The Magician with the Six of Wands. Wow, I love this card. Wow. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.